Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how to print this simple pattern. See, whenever you just want to print a pattern, here each row starting with which value we need to consider, and each row ending with which value we need to understand. Here it is. Each row starting with the constant value, that is 5. Each row starting with 5. But each row is not ending with the same value. It is a different value. That different value you have to collect into one variable first. So whenever you are printing, using that inner loop, we are printing, okay, each row starting with 5. And each row ending with a different value. And one more thing you need to understand, values are decreasing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4. In each row, values are decreasing. J minus minus. So J greater than or equals to, what is the different value? I. That is J minus minus. But sir, what is I? I in the first row 5, in the second row 4, in the third row 3. So I value 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That you have to specify in the outer loop. I starting with 5, I greater than or equals to 1, I minus minus. Inside the inner loop, we are printing that J, and after completion of one row printing, you need to send the control to the next line using println. This we know how to print. Hope you understood. Please follow the channel. Thank you.